Coming up on Weekends with Yankee, Richard Weiss heads north to Maine for an insider's tour at Nubble, one of the country's oldest lighthouses.
People have this infatuation with this lighthouse because it is a little tiny time capsule.
Next, senior food editor Amy Traverso visits Boston's North End, stopping in at the Revolutionary-era printing office Eads and Gill. Amy then heads to one of the neighborhood's famous seafood restaurants, Neptune Oyster, and tops it off with a cannoli at Modern Pastry.
I think, and a lot of people agree, this is the best Italian neighborhood in the country. We try and maintain our traditions here.
We then make our way to Woodstock, Vermont, to meet well-known potter James Zillian, credited with having elevated the farmhouse look.
Such an old material and craft in the modern day was sort of missing.
So come along with us for a once-in-a-lifetime journey through New England as you've never experienced it before. A true insider's guide from the editors of Yankee magazine. Join explorer and adventurer Richard Weiss and Yankee senior food editor Amy Traverso for behind-the-scenes access to the unique attractions that define this region. It's the ultimate travel guide from the people who know it best. Weekends with Yankee.